In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Monday.com. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and head to the workspace where you want to manage your tasks. Once you're in, open an existing board if you already have one set up, or create a new board if you're starting from scratch. Either option works, as long as the board will hold the tasks you want to track in your Kanban workflow. Next, take a look at the columns on your board. For a Kanban view to work properly, you'll need a status column, because that's what Monday.com uses to organize your tasks into lanes. If your board doesn't already have one, go ahead and add a status column now. After that, customize the status labels you want to use. A simple setup might include labels like To Do, Working on It, and Done. These labels will become the columns of your Kanban board, so it's worth choosing names that match your team's workflow clearly. Once your statuses are ready, start adding tasks or items to the board. These are the cards that will appear in the Kanban view. You can keep them broad or detailed depending on how you use Monday.com, but it helps if each item represents a clear piece of work. Now, look at the top of the board where the existing board views are listed. Click the plus button next to those views to add a new one. From the list of available view options, select Kanban. Monday.com may ask you to enter a name for this new view, so type in a name that makes sense for you, then continue. At this point, you'll be asked to choose which status column should organize the Kanban lanes. Select the status column you prepared earlier, then save the Kanban view settings. Once that's done, your board will switch into the Kanban layout. Take a moment to review the board and make sure your tasks are grouped by status the way you expect. Each lane should reflect one of your status labels, and the matching tasks should appear underneath. If everything looks right, you're ready to start using the board. As work progresses, you can drag and drop tasks between columns to reflect their current stage. You can also update task statuses directly from the Kanban board, which makes it easy to keep everything current without switching views. From there, continue managing your tasks using the Kanban view as part of your regular workflow. Thanks for watching.